Hello everyone. At the time of filming, it's early January. For the rest of the month, Scitech, the local science and technology education centre, are running Space Academy, a program where kids can come along and learn about everything from cosmology to astronautics. Over the next 3 weeks, I will be giving a series of talks and educational workshops about the science of the Martian. This will be about the technology and challenges of getting humans to survive on Mars. One of the biggest challenges of surviving on Mars is landing. Mars's thin atmosphere is less than 1% the density of Earth's, and so parachutes don't work very well, which is why the Curiosity rover landed using a sky crane. To demonstrate this concept, I want to drop a feather in ordinary atmosphere and then drop it in a vacuum and watch it plummet like a stone. I've borrowed a vacuum pump from the university teaching labs, and I pulled this acrylic tube out of a scrap bin. I want to cap the ends, draw a vacuum, drop the feather and watch it plummet. These PVC end caps are nearly the right size to fit over the end of the tube, but the internal diameter is a little small, so the first thing I'm going to do is shove these in the lathe and turn them down just a fraction of a millimetre. Okay, they're a nice tight fit. In the top cap, I've drilled a hole and glued in an air nipple for the air hose to attach to. Now I just need to put the feather in and seal them up. The simplest way I could think of to drop the feather while it's sealed in the tube is to use a magnet. So I've got a bit of a sewing pin. I'm going to shove it down the hollow core of the feather, cut off the excess. So now I should be able to pick up the feather through the cap. Yep, and that should do to drop it. Eventually I'll seal the ends properly with silicone, but for now I'm just going to use poster tack so I can do some test runs of the vacuum chamber. Okay, first drop of feather in ordinary atmosphere. The chamber is not pumped down yet. Just remove the magnets at the top. 3, 2, 1, go. And the feather drifts steadily to the bottom. Now I'll turn on the vacuum pump. Should only take 30 seconds to a minute to pump down to a decent vacuum. Okay. Feather dropping in partial vacuum. 3, 2, 1. That definitely dropped a lot faster than when it was in air. I think this demonstration should work nicely.